Welcome to Cryptothone, your go-to YouTube channel for all things crypto. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Today we have something exciting lined up. We're going to try and crack the code of ONUS, a secure and rapidly growing platform in the cryptocurrency space. If you're not familiar with ONUS, let me give you a quick overview. ONUS is known for its strong security protocols and offers a wide range of features that cater to both beginners and experienced crypto traders. It's one of the platforms that emphasize user-friendly experiences while maintaining top-tier encryption and safety measures. Right now you can see their X page, formerly Twitter, where they regularly post updates, announcements, and critical information for their users. If you're active on X, I highly recommend following them to stay up to date with their latest features and offerings. But that's not all. ONUS also has an active community on Telegram, where users can engage in discussions, ask questions, and get quick support from the team. I've already joined the Telegram group, and I encourage you to do the same. It's an excellent place for getting updates, sharing ideas, and connecting with like-minded crypto enthusiasts. Now, let's get into the fun part. Cracking the code. Today, we'll be examining some of the underlying elements of ONUS's security system. By understanding how they manage security, we can uncover potential vulnerabilities or simply appreciate how robust their system really is. Make sure to follow along closely because this analysis can help you better understand not just ONUS, but also the broader cryptocurrency security landscape. So, without further ado, let's jump into the process and crack the code. Stay tuned for more.